Okay, so we've looked at an overview of how to set your budget for the year. It's worth mentioning that as you go throughout the year, there'll be tabs for each month of the year. Now, the first thing I should mention in this regard is that you can choose which month each month inherits budgets from. So let's say that you go in January and you say, my rent was $1,000, but lo and behold, come May, your rent changes. What do? Well, you don't want to keep inheriting your budgets from the previous months. At this point, you're going to acknowledge a change. So the way that you do that is you'll notice that as you go through the months, each month inherits budgets from the month before it. July inherits from June, June inherits from May, and so forward. It goes all the way back month by month. So let's suppose that in May, your budget changes to $1,050. Your lease has changed, your rent goes up. Well, not to worry. Come June, it will be based on your May budget and it will update accordingly. Now, you can always change that. You can choose which month you're inheriting your budget from. If you want to override something or make an exception, you can do that. But generally, it's following from the previous month, and every single month is following from the month prior. So that allows you to be able to increase your budgets throughout the year or choose which month you want something to mimic. That just gives you the flexibility that you may need. Now, you'll also notice that all of the information, including the credit cards and everything else, is also inherited, including your paycheck. So literally everything here is inherited from the prior months. Anytime something changes, you'll just go in and make a change to one of these peach-colored lines.